Hey there, awesome explorers! Welcome back to Gonna Whiz, where curiosity meets creativity. If you're new here, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and dive into the world of innovations and the future of business because it is here. Get ready, because today's video is going to be epic. Let's dive right in. Ever dreamt of running your own online store but don't want to deal with inventory? Dropshipping might just be your answer. In today's video, we're diving deep into setting up your dropshipping store from scratch. What is dropshipping? First, a quick refresher. Dropshipping is a business model where you sell products directly to customers without holding any inventory. When someone buys a product from your store, you order it from a third-party supplier, who ships it directly to the customer. Cool, right? Step 1. Research and choose a niche. It all starts with choosing a niche. Find products that are in demand but not overly saturated in the market. Tools like Google Trends, SaleWho, and Oberlo can help identify hot products. Step 2. Find reliable suppliers. The key to a successful dropshipping business? Reliable suppliers. Websites like AliExpress, Dobber, and SaleWho are great platforms to start your search. Remember, always read reviews and possibly order a sample to test product quality and shipping times. Step 3. Set up your online store. For your online store, platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce are user-friendly options. They come integrated with dropshipping plugins and provide templates to get you started. Step 4. Design your store. First impressions matter. Focus on clean designs, high-quality product images, and easy navigation. Consider using platforms like Canva for designing banners or Fiverr for professional help. Step 5. Set up payments and pricing. Next, ensure you have payment gateways set up. Platforms like PayPal, Stripe, and Square can integrate seamlessly. As for pricing, consider the product cost, shipping fees, and desired profit margin. Remember, competitive pricing can set you apart. Step 6. Create a return policy. Returns can be tricky in dropshipping. Outline a clear policy on your website. While you might not handle the products, you'll be responsible for customer satisfaction. Consider offering store credits or exchanges to maintain goodwill. Step 7. Marketing and promotion. Build it, and they will come. Not quite. Dive into marketing strategies, from Facebook and Instagram ads, influencer collaborations, to SEO practices. Remember, targeting the right audience is key. Conclusion: stay updated and keep learning. Setting up your dropshipping store is just the beginning. The e-commerce landscape is ever evolving. Join online communities, attend webinars, and always keep an eye on market trends. Ready to dive into the world of dropshipping? Hit that like button, subscribe, and drop any questions below. We're here to guide you every step of the way.